Namaste once again. Today we'll be discussing our question number 3 of exercise 3.3. Already we have discussed many times how to draw the bar graph, how to read the bar graph. And then again in the question number 3 we'll be discussing how to do this bar graph. And one more important thing, you have to remember that bar graph means graph word is there, means you will do these things in the graph paper only and by using your pencil and scale. So this question is some classes are given there and their number of children are there also. In class 5 135 children are there, in class 6 120, and that way in class 10 this is 80 numbers of children were there, and we have to represent this data in the bar graph. Now let's see how to represent the this data in our bar graph. So first of all, what you have to do, you will draw two lines like this. One will be your vertical line and another one will be a horizontal line. This vertical line is called your y-axis and the horizontal line is called x-axis. And then the next thing is what you have to do, you will keep some units like this. 1 centimeter you will take by using your scale and pencil. 1 centimeter you will take like that. All the distances need to be same, means all the distances you will take 1 centimeter. Similarly, here also you will take this 1 centimeter, this to this, like this, equal distances you have to use. Then here in the horizontal line you are using the classes. So class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So this classes is given here. And in the vertical lines I am using the number of children. So here you will write number of children. This, and here classes you have to write. Next things what you can do, here you can see from the 0 I am writing here 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, that way I am writing, means in 1 centimeter, in 1 minute I am taking 10 children. Why it is? Because the numbers are more here. Whenever you are getting more number, you have to increase the unit here. In 1 minute you have to write 10 or 5 like that. So I am using in 1 minute 10 children, so that the graph will be little bit smaller here. Otherwise you have to go up to 135. This is not even possible also in small graph paper. So that's why I am using 1 unit is equal to 10 children. This is called our scale here. So scale, if you have to write here, then you will write 1 unit is equal to 10 children. So these things is very important. You have to mention these things. For this part also you can get your half marks. Otherwise your half marks will be deducted if you don't mention this. What is your scale? This 1 unit is equal to 10 children I am taking. So my scale is 1 unit is equal to 10 children. Now the thing is, we have to represent the given data now. Now in 5th class 135 students are there. So from 0 to the first unit you have to skip it. After that 5th class will start. So here this is the 5th class. So students are 135. Now you see here, where is your 135? This is 130, then 140. So in between 30 and 40 you have the 135. So in between 130 and 40, this is 135. Just by using your scale and pencil you just join this. So from here to the next one. So this is your 5th class. Now next one, you skip the another 1 minute and start from the next one. Now for 6th class 120 students are there. So this is 120. You just by using your scale join this. This is your 120. This. Now again you skip 1 more minute. You have to keep it like this. In between 2 bar you have to keep 1 centimeter, 1 minute you have to keep. Then next again you have 7th class. In 7th class 95 students are there, means it will be in between 90 and 100. So in between 90 and 100, if you go like this, it will be here So in 7th class you have to draw the bar like this. Use your scale always to draw these bars, otherwise the lines will be not straight. Now in 8th class, 100 students are there, so this is your 100, just join it here, so you will get your 8th class. This. Now in 9th class 90 students are there, so this is your 90. If you go like this will be your 90, just join it. Then at last in 10th class only 80 students are there, so you join this 80, here it will come, so this is your 80. So you have represented the data in bar graph. So this is how you can draw the bar graph. Now let's see what kind of questions are given here with the question number 3. So here the related questions are: number 1, how would you choose a scale? So what is the scale you are choosing here? So what is the scale? Scale means, already I have told you, our scale is 1 unit is equal to 10 children. So the question number 1 answer will be, the scale is 1 unit is equal to, we are taking 10 children. So this is our 10 children. This. Then question number 2 is, which class has the maximum and minimum children? So maximum and minimum children, by using the this bar graph only we can write down. So maximum children, where it is, you can see the extreme one, the longest one in 5th class. So the maximum students are there in our 5th class. So maximum you will write 5th class. And then minimum, in which class minimum children are there? You can see in 10th class, if you read this bar graph, in 10th class minimum students are there, so this is 10th. So this is your question number 1 and 2. Now let's see the question number 3. Now the question number 3 is, find the ratio of the students of class 6 to the student of class 8. You have to find the ratio of the students of class 6 to class 8. So while finding the ratio, always remember one thing: what is the number given in the first, that one will come to the numerator. Here class 6 to the class 8 is given, means 6 is coming first, so you have to write class 6 in place of numerator. So how will you write it? You will write class 6 to the class 8. Now in class 6 how many students are there? This is class 6. Here how many students are there? 120. This is, you will write 120. Then in class 8 how many students are there? It is 100. So this will become 120 by 100. Now 110 from both the side, what the number? So 110 will be cancelled out. You will left with 12 by 20. So this is your 12 by 10. Again you can reduce it to 6 are 12 and 2 5 are 10. So this is the reduced form, 6 by 5. After that no other numbers are there by which you can divide both of them, means this is the simplest form. So as you have to find a ratio, so how will you write this? To find in ratio, you will write 6 ratio 5. So this is the ratio of the students of class 6 to the class 8. So this is all about your question number 3, and in our next video we will be discussing the other questions also. So thank you.